Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see here that market open gap down and it continuously shows positive movement from taking support from that 40,450 level, and after that it continuously hit resistance from that 40,700 level and made low around 39,450, which is around almost 1250 point, which is very good as per Bank Nifty. And you can also clearly notice here that M pattern is made here. So if it breaks that, which is 39,400 or 350, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 39,000, or for the entire week our next target will be 38,000 level. So now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly notice here that today market opens gap up and it took support from that level, and also during market hours I have uploaded a video that saying that if it closes below 40,350, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and it continuously shows negative movement without any green candle. And so market, if it opens gap up and opens flat and trades above 39,750 or 800, and after that it shows any kind of positive movement, then we will going to wait for it to closes above 40,000. Then after that we can start some buying trade here, because from the last 2.5 hours it continuously shows negative movement, so it needs to closes above that or needs to tackle that for taking any kind of buying trade. As of now it looks more negative to me, so if it opens flat and it trades below 39,450 or 400, then you can start some selling pressure here. Target will be around 39,000 level. If it opens a gap down around 39,000 and after that if it shows any kind of negative movement from that also, then you can take trade for selling. That's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1-day candle chart. So in Nifty it also made high low around 400 point, and right now it trades around 17,150. So if tomorrow market once again trades below 7,130 or 120 and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target we can set to 70,000 level. But if it closes below that 70,000 level by opening up down or opening flat, and then you can set our next target to 16,800 level. For taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 17,300. Then after that we can expect any kind of buying trade. Now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of buying or selling trade. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see that when Nifty closes below that trend line, which is 17,350, then after that it continuously shows negative movement and made low around 7,120. So as I said, if it opens flat and if it trades below 7,120 or 100, then you can expect some selling pressure here. But if it opens a gap up, then we're going to wait, because it needs to close above 7,300 or 280. Then after that you can expect any kind of buying trade, and target will be around 7,360 to round level 7,400. But as of now it looks more negative to me. If it opens gap up, then it may be go sideways, but if it opens flat and opens small gap down, then it may be so negative movement there. So that's all about today guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.